What is going on, everybody? Welcome, welcome, welcome. And let's go ahead and talk about parts while we're at it. Here we go. Starting with this right here, the Ryzen 7 97, just kidding, it's a 9800X3D. 9800X3D, still the king, at least for another, until the end of the month. You want to pair it with this bad boy right here, if you can get one anymore, the RTX 5080. Outside of that, you really should be spending the money on GPU. Now to cool the RTX 5080, we're not going crazy. Just using a Glacier 1360 M25 G2. Love this AIO. It's inexpensive, it's easy to install. It does crazy good on cooling. For the motherboard we're using, it's micro ATX because we're using the Phanteks XT-M3. And here it is right here. This is it, the B650M plus Wi-Fi. This is a micro ATX 850, the 850 chipset. We have Wi-Fi 6E on this, PCI 5, of course. For the most expensive components, and we really are talking most expensive components, one of the best RAM and NVMe companies in the game, I'll be hands down. Kingston Fury, we've got 32 gigs, I think it's CL30 RAM, and then we got a 2 terabyte Renegade Fury NVMe drive. That right there, that's like $700. $700-800 right there, Brian. It's kind of brutal, but there it is right there. So this is definitely we're trying to cram as much reasonable power inside of this. You could do 5090, absolutely, and then lastly, I don't think anybody's surprised, we're gonna be throwing this, just to make sure with the micro ATX that we have a lot of room to do our cable management. We're gonna be using the RM850E from Corsair. I like the cables, they're easy to cable manage. It's a small form factor-ish case, and so the big thing for me is just making sure we have plenty of room. So anyway, and then we're putting that inside of this right here. This is the Phanteks XT-M3. We've actually had this case for a while, and it has become so popular that many brands are copying it. Okay, let's start with our motherboard here and go from there. Did anybody have questions? Because, Raxus had were there questions about the parts list or anything like that? Went through it pretty quick. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and do the NVMe right now, and then hopefully she'll get the RAM click stuff set up. Boom, 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 boom. They want a showcase PC that is smaller, right? But they still want all of the showcase. This one I feel like is for people who are like, I don't care if it's showcase or not, right? I just want a lot of power in a small case, right? So it's a little bit more generic than the 011. $900 going in, just getting 500, 400. 96.8. That was 96.3, dude. Look at that. Okay, so we got that in here. Everything's good. Let's go ahead and get everything prepped for our AIO. There we go. You've lost so much weight. You're so thin. I'm like, I still got more to lose, but yes, I eat. Don't worry. I just climb a lot. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Pop this in here. Okay, let's do our PSU. Now, AIO in. So I think it's gonna go like that. Let me find my cables. Gotta make sure that this is actually, there we go. Okay, so that's it. So now it's all connected. I think I'm gonna do in the corner right here. Should be great. Okay, here we go, guys. Looks like this is probably just gonna have to go straight up. Some long cables. Ow. Ow, that was hurt. Yeah, this is a compact high-end build, is what we're going for here. And then now we have all of our cables plugged in. There it is, guys. It's looking super good. That's all the AIO stuff done. All we have is putting in our FE and we're done, guys. Here's our RTX 5080. Oh man, I love this card. It's gonna look beautiful in this case. Boom, look at that, so pretty. Okay, what I'm just doing right now is I'm just making it so the cable Looks good back in the bottom. There you go. Okay. Build is done, guys. We just got to do cable management of the 16 pin. Last, should be the last zip tie. Should be. Of course, I've said that like 83,000 times today, so there we go. And there's that part. Looks good. And on the front, nice clean look there. What do you guys think? Think it looks good, right? All done. There we go, guys. There is the build done. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Boom. That turned on right away. That's a good sign. You see lights on the AIO as well. I mean on the, AIO. AIO's lit up, the RM is lit up, and there it is, guys. That is a sexy looking build. Dude, that looks so good. And it is posted, Brian. You can go ahead and do the, get in there and pop the post. So it is posted. Yeah, the AIO, I'm a huge fan of that AIO. Okay, let's start our thermals here. So right now the CPU is sitting at 40. Pretty warmer for that, but we also are testing something a little bit more warmer than normal. It's gonna keep it at 80. Yeah, it's just spun up there. Keeping it at 80, 79. So there it's now at 76. So it looks like it's gonna be 80 or so, which is fine. Let's just show airflow here. Okay, so we're gonna start with the top fan. Should feed our AIO. You should see that, look at that, just going right to that front fan right there, no problem. Bottom fan, you're gonna see feeds both, but really that GPU, that AIO is sucking in air right now because we're at like max level. If we were at lower level, you'd probably see it actually sit down here and then get pulled through the bottom there. But yeah, no problem in terms of airflow there at all. And then temperatures after a couple minutes, 81. So it might get into the mid 80s, maybe, but dude, no problem whatsoever. Opening up our game here. Okay, so we got graphics, auto, video, 20 window borderless. So this is just as it's meant to run. Let's see what our CPU and gaming temps are. And here we go, 53 for our GPU and 69 for our CPU. And again, it is quiet, quiet, quiet. And you can see there, 56, yeah, no problems whatsoever. There you go, dude. But yeah, temp, you would not hear this if it was sitting next to you. It definitely is not having issues keeping temps while gaming. It's at a nice, good spot. Okay, so that is it for today's stream. Again, huge shout out to Phanteks for sending us one of their XT-M3s. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining us, for joining us on stream and for watching. For the NVIDIA folks, thank you for joining us as well. For the new folks, congratulations, welcome. We stream, our stream schedule is on Twitch. It's also over on our Discord at discord.gg/Robeytech. Have an absolutely amazing rest of your evening, and we will see you guys on the next stream tomorrow morning for gaming. Bye, guys.